Okay, here's going to be a small tutorial on how to get ringtones right from Verizon's site. It's pretty simple, it takes a few steps, but they're free, so hey, what can you do? First, let's start by making a smart folder. Then just click here, and for the type, go here to music. All is fine. Just click save. Name it anything you want. Ringtones is simple as for me. Click save. And then you'll have it over here. Now, let's go over here. Let's visit the site. Bear with my connection. I have a lot of things open. I'm downloading some stuff, so it might be a little slow. But once it's done loading, it should be fairly simple. Now just pick any ringtone you want. When you're looking at the ringtones, hit preview, but use the ringback tone so this method works. Now QuickTime's gonna open a small sample of it. Now you see the whole bar has loaded, this whole thing right here. It's all gray. Go to File, Export. Rename it whatever, anything you want. Make sure it's sound to wave. Hit save. Go back to your Finder window. Now it should be here. Right click on it. Open it with Audacity. File export as MP3. Just name it anything you want. Click save. You don't really have to do this, but just do whatever. After it's done exporting, go back to your Finder window. Double click on the newly created ringtone. Test it out. There you go. Now you have free ringtones straight from Verizon. It's not the best, it's not the fastest way to do it, but it's one of the many ways you can do it. And you don't have to trim anything or mess with it. If you want to mess anything additionally, use here Audacity to do it. And you're set to go on your ringtones. Hope this tutorial helped you guys. Let me know if you guys need anything else.